Hi everyone! As the Dragon Ball Festival, one of China's most iconic traditional holidays, draws near, let's explore how IECHO cutting machines bring tradition to life. Watch how our machines transform simple cardboard into festive masterpieces, adorable carton rice dumplings, greeting cards, Dragon Boat models, and even custom gift boxes, featuring delicate paper cut patterns. IECHO blends precision with modern style, making it perfect for DIY decorations, creative crafts, or small business packaging. Let's check it out together. Whenever you are crafting festive decor, designing unique gifts, or exploring cultural creativity, our small cutting machines handle a variety of materials with ease, delivering a sharp edges and efficient performance. Want a custom setup like this? DM us or drop a comment below and let us use tech to light up this traditional holiday.